Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, Musallima, the greatest liar, came and said, if Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam appoints me his successor, I will follow him. And he had brought many people of his tribe. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by Hazrat Thabit bin Qais bin Shammas, holding a stick of date palm, went towards him until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached near Musallima, standing amidst his companions, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you ask me even this stick, I will not give it to you, and you cannot transgress Allah's decree about you. If you turn your face away from me, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will humiliate you, and I am observing the same for you which I saw in the dream. And Sabit bin Qais will further give the reply on my behalf. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then went away from there. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4373.